Qatar. Are you Filipino? Opo. Davao lang po. Ang Chin, sige na ang Chin. Maawa ka naman sa akin, oh. Brent, pa-help mo ko, ano Brent? Kunin mo na yung 800 para maka-reach ako sa quota ko this week. Maulan ang panahon. Oh my God! Thank you! Thank you! Okay, thank you so much. Oh my God, 2-8 na lang guys. Guys, 2-8. Hi, and good morning. Guys, help me guys, 2-8 na lang guys. Jedi, hello. Brent, ikaw na bahala sa 800. Kunin mo na yan. Ay, hindi pala. Wait lang. Hello. Thank you, Angkin. Much appreciated. Ano na lang pala to? 2-6 na lang. Thank you for follow, Brent. Brent, ikaw na bahala sa 600, friend. Brent. Hello. Guys, 2-6 na lang. Makakota na ako. Ongchin, thank you so much. I'm so happy to have you. Oh my God, thank you so much. I love you. Or don't laugh me, ah. Shake it, yeah. No, don't shake it, shake it. If Ong Chin said, shake it, then I will. Right, Ong Chin? Ano, player water bagsak lang. Ha? Di naman ako Jack, hello, thank you. Yes. Alright. Umuulan naman, pero harap. Basta. 100 dias, one time wash. Okay, drop me. Ang man ang akong i-wash. Ang man ang hugasan ko. Henry, dito sa amin ang lakas. Wala na, pero makulimlim. Kahit dyan lang tayo sa likod ko nung Guys, who want my admin? LF admin guys. I don't have admin guys. Thank you. Ang, 2-6 na lang oh. Let's try Bawal Dragon ulit. Giovanni, hello. Edgar. May asawa ka na? Wala po. Pag naghuhugas ba ng plato, may asawa na ba yan? Dada. What? I have many bubbles in my hands. Oh. Bubbles. Guys, let's try Bubble Dragon ulit. This is for you, Ong. It's me, hello. But you, big coconut. I don't have big coconut.